Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a 2020 Nexus Viper model 25V. What I love about this motorhome is a few things. This is a Class C, Class B plus with full body paint. It looks absolutely fantastic, and it's a higher end unit at the Class C market. It is powered on an E350 chassis. You can actually upgrade that to the E450 if you choose to have more cargo carrying capacity. And then, what I love about Nexus is the warranty of steel. 12-year structural, 6-year lamination. The reason why they can give you that warranty is because most manufacturers are using aluminum framing. Nexus has used steel. And then also Nexus also uses Azdel for their sidewall composite, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside the Nexus Viper 25V, you can see this is a smaller floor plan, but it's very cozy. I love the fit and finish in here. It's really nice. Right back here is the bed, queen-size bed. The bed folds up for the slide out to come in, which personally I'm not a huge fan of, but at least the fold-up part is towards your feet, which is something that I really do like. Right over here, we do have a nice corner bathroom. Decent sized shower. Again, it's always important to remember, this is a smaller motorhome. Right here, tons and tons of cabinetry, pantry space / wardrobe space. Right over here, new for 2022, they did put in a very big and nice refrigerator. Here's your little kitchen area. And then right over here is one of the most comfortable dinettes in the RV industry. I love it because there's also slide out storage. To wrap it all up, because Nexus calls this a B+, it's because they don't have the bunk over the cab. It's a nice smooth profile with your entertainment right up there. And again, right up here is the front cockpit area. Well guys, that's it. Thanks so much for checking out a quick 2-minute tour. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're interested in buying this motorhome, fill out the contact form down below. We will then get you with one of our motorhome specialists to get you a phenomenal price on this. Thank you guys, absolutely everybody, so much for watching. We'll see you next time.